to stop Alexa from listening, a step-by-step guide. Users need Alexa to pick up their voice commands and perform the tasks. They would have to continue letting it monitor the background noise to detect your wake-up command. However, if the users are only required to utilize their Echo speaker to play audio while not interacting with it using their voice, they can stop Alexa from listening to them. Follow these steps to stop Alexa from listening. Number 1. The simplest way to stop is by pressing the mute button on their Echo speaker. The mute button is activated on a 4th generation speaker. While all generations have a mute button, that seems like a circle with a line going through it. Once the users press it, Alexa would eventually stop listening, and users would know that listening has been deactivated when the Echo ring light turns red. If the users want Alexa to listen to their voice commands, along with also need to intensify their privacy, here are a few tips and tricks that the users must try. Number 1. Avoid utilizing the computer wake word, as this is a common word that could simply come up in conversations. Number 2. Adhere to less common wake words like Ziggy and Alexa to help lower the notice of Alexa listening when it shouldn't be. Number 3. In addition, consider deleting your Alexa voice history. It would put off any in-app recordings of your voice that Alexa might have stored. Number 4. However, Alexa has been known to take its listening habits a little too far. There are things the users can do to restrict the kind of data it can store.